activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
You're right, Debo. The snow has blocked the Blippi-mobile. I wonder, how are we gonna get out of here? Whoa! Oh, look! Whoa, yeah!
I'm an excavator, a snowy excavator. Hey, snow! See you later, snowy excavator. I've got a great big arm with a great big boom. If I start shoveling now, the road will be clear soon. I'm a frost devastator, snowy excavator. Got a big old bucket and I scoop all day, getting snow out the way so kids can play. A blizzard infiltrator, a snowy excavator. And did you know that I can work at night? I can see my way with my big bright lights. I'm an excavator, a snowy excavator. Hey, snow! See you later, snowy excavator.
You're right, Debo. It would be fun to join you at the top. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! So cool, Debo!
I've got a place where the workers sit, it's called a cab, where they control the bucket to scoop and drag. I'm a drift dissipator, a snowy excavator. Oh, can you see that I drive all day?
Do you ever sleep?
No time for sleep, no time for play. I'm an excavator, a snowy excavator. Hey, snow! See you later, snowy excavator. Snowy excavator. I'm an excavator, snowy excavator. Snowy excavator. Hey, snow! See you later, snowy excavator. Snowy excavator. Snowy excavator. Snowy excavator.
Oh, look at what it is! It's an excavator! Yeah! Are you ready to learn about excavators with me? Yeah! Let's go! Excavators are so spectacular! Let's look at the parts of the excavator. Come here. Let's start with the cab. This, inside here, is where the operator of the excavator sits. Look inside. Wow, there's a lot of controls in there. Ooh, that looks fun. Okay, let's close the door. Oh, whoa, look. Yeah, these are the tracks of the excavator. Wow, there's no wheels and tires on an excavator. There are only these tracks. And it allows for it to go over rocks and mud and big piles of dirt and not even get stuck like this. See, I didn't even get stuck. Woo, and look back here. This is the engine compartment. This is where the excavator gets all of its power from. Huh, look. Wow. There's more engine components on the other side and the top, but there's a bunch of radiators, coolant, and all that fun stuff in here. I almost forgot my favorite part, the bucket. Let's go. Whoa, look at the bucket. This excavator bucket is really big. It can grab and scoop a bunch of dirt out of the earth. And this part right here, the clamper, yeah, it's called the thumb. Whoa, and look at all of this. Wow, this is the arm of the excavator. It's really tall. And that part, that is the boom of the excavator. The arm and the boom and the bucket. And how all of this gets powered are these hydraulic cylinders. Wow. They push fluid up so then everything can move. Whoa, it's like I'm an excavator. That was so much fun learning the parts of an excavator. Now it's time to operate the excavator. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. First things first. Safety first. Yeah. Yeah. Look, I got my safety vest on and my hard hat. See these joysticks? These are what operate the arm and the boom and the bucket. See? Oh, and this one makes it swivel. Watch this. Whoa! 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 This is so much fun. Whee! Okay, and then I'll push it the other way. Now we're going to swivel around this way. Whoa! 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 Whee! Okay, here we go. All right, enough swiveling. Now it's time to dig. the joysticks? Yeah! Whoa! Look at how big this scoop is! Yeah! Hey, now let's dump out the scoop. Whoa! That was a big scoop. We're on a little joyride in the excavator. We're just driving the excavator to find a new spot to dig in. Look at what it is! It's a stump! I wonder what's underneath the stump. This is where the stump used to be. I wonder what's underneath the stump. Looks like a bunch of dirt. A lot of dirt. And look, a giant rock. What else? Look, it's a boombox. Boomboxes play music. I wonder what song is in here.
Excavator.
It's the Excavator song!
Excavator.
Hey, dirt!
See you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. I've got a big old bucket and I scoop all the time, digging holes in the ground, wonder what I'll find. I'm an earth investigator, I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I don't have feet?
No feet! How do you get around?
I roll on tracks to get to where I need to be. I'm an excavator. Excavator.
Hey, dirt!
See you later. I'm an excavator.
Hey, it's time to act like an excavator. I'll teach you. All you gotta do is bring up your arm, like it's the arm and the boom in the bucket, and start to scoop. That's fun!
I've got a place where workers sit, it's called a cab, where they control the bucket to scoop and grab. I'm a hole regulator, I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I work all day?
Do you ever sleep?
No time for sleep, no time for play. I'm an excavator, excavator.
Hey, dirt!
See you later. I'm an excavator, excavator, excavator.
That was so much fun learning about the marvelous machine of an excavator with you. Bye! Woo! Yeah! Woohoo!
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.